What's up, techies? Did you know that you have an affiliate manager inside your TekMatix account? This means that you can get other people to sell and promote your products and services for you. And in return, you give them a percentage or a commission payment of your choice based on every sale that they make. They get their own affiliate link that allows them to track their sales and their payouts from inside the system. So to make this work, you log into your TekMatix account. You can grab a free trial on TekMatix.com, click on marketing and emails, and then go on over to the affiliate manager. The first thing you're going to need to do is create an affiliate campaign, and you can have a campaign means an affiliate program for everything on your site. It could be a campaign, might be an affiliate program for one particular course, product or service that you're selling from your platform. So you would go in here, you would press add a campaign. Then your campaign name is the name of your product, your service, or whatever it is that you're selling. So if this was for my whole academy, it would be Sarah Cordner's Edupreneur Academy, for example. You then select the particular funnel and landing page and product that your affiliate program relates to. And then you can obviously add the related products that is under the affiliate program right here. You can add in a brief description that your affiliates will see. You can add your affiliates here. Now, by the way, you can also bulk upload your affiliates. So if you want to just leave them out of this campaign stage, then come back to affiliates and bulk upload people, you can do that with a CSV file. Then you can choose how often you want to pay these people. So is it every 15 days, 30 days, or 60 days? How much commission are you going to pay them? Is it a percentage? And then you get to choose the percentage of every sale, or are you going to give them a set amount? So for instance, you might say, I give everyone exactly $10 for every sale. So you get to choose exactly what that is. You can also create an email template that goes out to your affiliates to welcome them to the program and explain the program. You create your email templates inside the email builder area over here. We do have a default one for you that you can edit as well. You also get to choose how long the cookies last for on your affiliate management program as well. So it goes up to a maximum of a year. And that basically means if somebody clicks on affiliate's link and that person that has clicked, that buyer that clicked, buys within 364 days, that sale will be attributed to the affiliate. You maybe only want it to be 30 days, 60 days, right? You get to basically decide how long that last click action will remain attributed to the affiliate who shared the link. If you want got any more questions on that, please let us know at support@tekmatix.com. There you go. So basically what will happen from there is then all of your affiliates will be listed here. When they log in, they'll be able to see all of their sales. We do have a full affiliate program dashboard portal coming out as well. And underneath your payout section, this is where it will show you all of your affiliates, their email, how much money they are owed that particular month. You can then approve and pay them all through this record management over here. If you've got any questions, let us know. Support@tekmatix.com. Happy teching.